Hello everyone, welcome to Oliver Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a healthy sandwich recipe for weight loss. This is an easy recipe, anyone can make it and it tastes delicious. First, take some bread and remove the edges. Keep them aside. In a bowl, take 2 boiled eggs and crush it. Add half cup of thinly cutted cucumber. Remember to remove the water that cucumber contains. Add half cup of tomato, 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 green chili, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1½ tablespoon of garlic sauce. A pinch of salt. 1 tablespoon of coconut crumbs. Now add some lemon juice. And mix it well. And serve on the bread. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.